Hello students, very good morning to all of you. So I hope that all of you would have revised the chapter aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid and amines. So today we are going to solve the questions from this chapter. Okay, so good morning Pradeep, very good morning to all of you. So let's see the first question. Okay, so these questions will be like from your KCET exam perspective. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to read the question and give me the answers in the comment section by putting the question number. Okay, so every time we are doing this live session, please score yourself. Okay, give marks how much you are getting, so then only you can know like which chapter you are good at, which chapter you need to work on. Okay, so every time please give yourself a score and make like every day you have to physics, chemistry, maths, maintain a record of the score, like write down the chapter name on which the test was there and what you have got, which questions you got wrong, practice those questions. Okay, that is how you will improve. Simply watching the videos will not work, you need to work with us. Okay, so we can start now. Sorry, just a minute. Yes, okay, let's see the first question here. The first question is in front of you, you can answer this one. Carbonyl compounds, okay, one second, yes, carbonyl compounds when treated with sodium bisulfate, okay, NaHSO3, you know, sodium bisulfate. Okay, solution, generally a crystalline sodium bisulfite addition product is formed, but which of the following carbonyl compound not form crystalline addition product? Means in which of the following you will not get the addition product? Can you answer this one? So this is a very, I can say, important question. Okay, because we need to know a certain concept behind this, that is any aldehyde or ketone which have this group CH3C double bond O, if it has this group, then it will react with sodium bisulfite. Okay, if this group is not there, it will not react. So can you now like identify? It should either have CH3CO or HCO structure. Now can you tell me the answer for this question? What can be the possible compound which does not react with this one? Yes, anyone? Yes, students, please answer this question. I cannot find many of you answering. Already given you the hint, so you can think from this one. And today participation is also less. Why? I don't know. Yes, no answer. Okay, let me tell you, the correct answer here will be option number D. Okay, so basically you have to find a less bulky group. Okay, less bulky group. So you can find here two bulky groups are present here. Also it is comparatively more reactive. Here it is ketone, a bulky group. So that is why that is less reactive. Okay, one answer is option number D. Okay, next question. An organic compound C5H10O. Okay, organic compound is given C5H10O forms phenyl hydrazine, which gives positive iodoform test and undergoes Wolff-Kissner reaction to give isopentane. It is what? Okay, so you have an organic compound C5H10 and O. Okay, it forms phenyl hydrazine. Okay, so that means what you can guess, this can be either a ketone or an aldehyde. It is not a alcohol. It gives a positive iodoform test. If it is giving positive iodoform test, means it must have this group CH3CO group should be present. Okay, and undergoes Wolff-Kissner reaction to give isopentane. Okay, so Wolff-Kissner reaction is taking place to give you isopentane. So what is the structure of isopentane? This is the structure of isopentane, right? So which aldehyde can this be? Yes, anyone? Just a minute, let me see what you have answered. Yes, again no answer for this question. This is very simple question, students. Very simple question. Can you think what can be the reactant? See, this group is reacting, right? So we should have this CH3CO group, okay? Then it is giving you isopentane as a product. So you can have like this structure. If you have this group, right, you will get isopentane because CH3CO group is there. You will also react, or you will also get iodoform test, and it will also react with Wolff-Kissner reduction, right? The correct answer for this one will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can say 3-methyl-butane 2-ONE, okay, 3-methyl-butane 2-ONE. No, Sudesh, pentane 2-ONE. See, if you take pentane 2-ONE, you won't get this see, the final product is isopentane, okay? You won't get isopentane in that case, right? Isopentane will not be produced. For getting isopentane, we need a branch chain. So this has to be the product, and I will give a number it will be 3-methyl-butane 2-ONE, that is option number D, okay? Next, moving to question number 3. In the presence of dry HCl gas, CH3CHO condenses with C2H5OH to give what? So you have this one CH3COH, okay, and this one is reacting with C2H5OH, okay. This one is reacting with C2H5OH to give what? So what is the product in this case? Yes, anyone? Pradeep, can you answer this one? Sudesh, yes. What will be the product? Reactions of aldehydes and ketones with alcohols. We get a very famous, a particular product is formed. You remember, if you give less amount of alcohol and then more amount of alcohol, what will be the product formed here? Yes, Pradeep is correct. Correct answer here is acetal, okay. So first hemiacetal will form, then again with excess of alcohol you will get acetal. Next, question number 4, identify X in the sequence. So you have to find the X value. So you have CH3MgCl, after that you did hydrolysis, then you got C5H12O, and then with copper and 575 Kelvin you are getting C5H10, okay. This is also a very simple question. So when you are seeing C5H10, this is a general formula of CnH2n, right? That means this is an alkene, right? And when alkene is formed, then this must be what? This must be one tertiary alcohols, okay. And if this is tertiary alcohol, X must be, if you remember, with formaldehyde, okay. If you react formaldehyde with Grignard reagent, you get primary alcohol. If you take any other aldehyde, okay, any other aldehyde with Grignard reagent, you will get secondary alcohol. And if you take ketone with Grignard reagent, you will get tertiary alcohols, right? So now we need a tertiary alcohol, so X must be a ketone. So from the option, can you identify which is a ketone given here? This is an alcohol, okay, this is an aldehyde, this is also one aldehyde. So the correct answer for this question will be option number A, okay. You have to take a ketone as a functional group. So if you take ketone, here CH3 group will be attached, okay, then here OH will form. So what will be your first product? The C5H12, this one will be CH3, C, you have CH2, CH3, okay, then here I am adding CH3 and this one will become OH. This is your this product, that is C5H12O. And after that, when you heat it with copper, so what will happen? Suppose H is here, this one will be reduced and you will get CH3, C, CH3, double bond, CH, CH3, okay. That will be the product. Yes, 4 is A, all of you are correct. Next, question number 5. Treatment of acetaldehyde with ethyl magnesium bromide. Just now I discussed, you have an aldehyde, okay, and we are reacting with ethyl magnesium bromide, and subsequent hydrolysis gives you what? So any aldehyde is there, you are treating it with ethyl magnesium bromide. So what product you will form? Is it 1 butanol or 2 butanol, 1 propanol or tert butanol? Yes, what can be the answer for this question? You have ethyl acetaldehyde, that means CH3COH, and it is reacting with CH3, CH2, MgBr. Very simple reaction, minus, plus, minus, this is minus, plus, this one will attack here. So what will be the product here? Yes, I can't find any answer from you people. Why so less reaction today. Okay, so this one will give you CH2 and CH3. Okay, so what I will get, this is OH, right? So it will give you 2-methyl butanol. Okay, so I can say butane 2-OL. Option number B is the correct answer here. Okay, next, no Sony, 5A is not correct. You will always get secondary alcohol. Okay, you won't get primary alcohol. Secondary alcohol will be the product. This one will attack here. Next, question number 6. Ketones are less reactive than aldehydes because this is a very, very easy question. CO group is less polar in ketones or because of electronic effect, because of steric hindrance to the attacking reagent, none of the above. Yes, anything? Okay, Hema, I will check into this. Okay, definitely I'll check into this. Okay. 6C, yes, that is correct. Because of steric hindrance, the reactivity will be less. Next, benzaldehyde and acetaldehyde can be distinguished by. Okay, so how can you use to distinguish between them? Benzaldehyde and acetaldehyde. You have iodoform test, 2,4-DNP test, NH3 reaction, Wolff-Kissner reduction. Benzaldehyde and acetaldehyde. Can we find anything here? How can we distinguish between them? Very simple question, this one. Yes, 7A, iodoform test is correct. Acetaldehyde has this CH3COH group, right? So I told you this group. Okay, if this group is there, then reaction will take place. Iodoform, a yellow color precipitate is formed. So that is why this is the correct answer. Okay, very good. Next, question number 8. Hexamethylene tetraamine is used for as and what? So this question you might not be knowing, but uses of amines have been asked regularly in the question. So I'll be telling you the answer for urinary antiseptic. Okay, so please remember this answer. Take a screenshot of this question. This is important. Okay, I think many of you might not have studied this, so I'm telling you the answer. Please mark it. Next, question number 9. A HCHO and HCOOH are distinguished by treating with. So you have one aldehyde group and one acid group. So they are distinguished by treating it with what? Tollens reagent or NaHCO3, Fellings reaction or Benedict solution. Okay, so you have one aldehyde and one acid group. Yes, what should be the answer here? Question number 9. 9B is correct. When you react with NaHCO3, you will get CO2 effervescence, okay, because of which we can identify which one will show positive test. The HCOOH, okay, will show positive test, and your HCHO will show negative test. How will you find this one? This one will give you CO2 gas, okay, CO2 effervescence will come out, okay. Next, question number 10. The reduction of aldehydes and ketones to the corresponding alkanes in presence of alkaline hydrogen solution is called as. Very easy name reaction question. Rosenmond reaction, Stephan reduction, Wolff-Kissner reduction or Cannizzaro reaction. What can be the reductions of aldehydes and ketones to the corresponding alkanes in the presence of alkaline hydrogen solution is called as? Yes, this is very easy question, students. 10C, Wolff-Kissner. Yes, Madan is correct. Wolff-Kissner reduction, direct form question. Next, 11th, which is used as a preservative for biological specimens. This is very important question. It is there in the application part of aldehydes and ketones, okay. So biological specimen, to preserve it, what do we use? Formalin, formic acid, liquid ammonia or acetic acid. Very direct and easy question, this one. Yes, Pradeep is correct. Formalin. Formalin is nothing but formaldehyde. Okay, so it is used to keep the biological specimens preserved. Next, acetaldehyde is the rearrangement product of. This is very, very important question and little tricky also. Acetaldehyde, okay, it is a rearrangement product. Okay, so what can be the, like, see, something is there, if it undergoes rearrangement, any type of rearrangement doesn't mean only carbocation rearrangement, okay? Any type of rearrangement if you get, you will get acetaldehyde. Yes. So what should be this one? Should it be an ethyl alcohol? Ethyl alcohol, can it undergo any rearrangement, or vinyl alcohol, allyl alcohol, or methyl alcohol? Let me see who can answer. Yes, Pradeep is good, very good. Vinyl alcohol. See, if you have vinyl alcohol, okay, it is like this. Okay, so what will happen then? You know, this one will come here, this one will come here. This process is called as tautomerization. Right? So the vinyl alcohol undergoes tautomerization to give you aldehyde. So option number B is the correct answer here. Okay. Next, question number 13. Cyanohydrin of which compound gives lactic acid on hydrolysis? Okay. So cyanohydrin of which compound will give you lactic acid on hydrolysis? Okay, Vaibhav, no issues. You can complete the chapter and then you can watch, no problem. So which compound will give you lactic acid? Okay, before that, let me tell you the formula of lactic acid. Okay, it is like this. Yes, so it is like 2 alcohol and then propanoic acid. So what will be the answer here? Yes. Okay, so if you see, if you have taken propanol, okay, what will happen? We need 3 carbon, right? 1, 2 and 3 carbon. So acetone is having 2 carbon, acetaldehyde is having 2 carbon, propanol, but you know we are adding cyanohydrin. So from that cyanohydrin 1 carbon will be added. So that is why we should have, like if I take acetaldehyde, CH3COH, okay. Now if I do cyanohydrin, I'll add HCN. So what will happen? 1 OH and 1 CN will come. So CH3COH, H and then CN. Now if you do hydrolysis, this one will get converted to COH, okay. So we will get here that the desired product. So correct answer is option number B, okay. Yes, B is the correct answer. Next, 14th, the reaction of CH3CHO plus NH2NH2 gives something product is a dash type of reaction. Whether it is an elimination reaction, addition, elimination reaction, or none of this. Yes, can we guess this answer? Which type of reaction is this addition reaction? Like, is this given reaction? Yes, quick. Yes, addition elimination reaction is the correct answer here, okay. So when you have this one, you just take H2N water, that is your elimination. First this group gets added here, okay. First there is addition and then there is elimination of water. Okay, next question number 15. The boiling points of aldehydes and ketones lie in between alkanes and alcohols of comparable masses because, okay. So the question is like this, alcohols are there, okay, and then we have in between aldehydes and ketones, okay. So the boiling points are like this, aldehydes and ketones, and then we have alkanes. So why they lie between alcohols and alkanes? Because alkanes are polar, aldehydes and ketones are non-polar, alkanes are non-polar, and aldehydes and ketones contain polar CO group, and lower alcohols have hydrogen bonding. Alkanes are held together by weak van der Waals forces. Aldehydes and ketones contain polar CO group and are held together by strong dipole-dipole attraction, and the lower alcohols have hydrogen bonding which is stronger than the dipole-dipole interaction. So what is the answer for this one? NTG, it is for both boards and KCET, okay, but mostly it is for KCET, okay. Yes. Board MCQ series goes in the evening, 6 p.m. Chakraview. There you can watch the board question. Yes, 15D is the correct answer. Okay. Next question number 16. The decreasing order of solubility. Okay, decreasing order of solubility of methanol, propionaldehyde, benzaldehyde and acetophenone. So you have structure like this. Methanol is HCOH, okay. Then you have propionaldehyde, that is CH3 CH2 COH, okay. Next we have benzaldehyde, okay, you have benzaldehyde, and then we have acetophenone. Okay, so you know solubility depends on what? Solubility, okay, is proportional to size, inversely proportional to size. Smaller the molecule, more is the solubility, okay. So let me see. So what you see, which structure is smaller? This one is the smallest structure. This is your A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, okay. So which one is the smallest structure? You can find that A is the smallest structure, so A has to be at the starting, okay. Then you can see this is the smallest structure, B, then C, then C, then D. So correct answer is option number A. Yes, Helu is correct. A is the correct answer. Next, question number 17, students. A ketone reacted with C2H5MgBr reagent followed by hydrolysis gives a product, okay. So let me first break down the question like this. You have C2H5MgBr, okay. You have one ketone before that, okay. A ketone reacts with this one followed by hydrolysis, okay. So you have after that hydrolysis to give a product which on dehydration, so you have some product, okay, so let it be X. This product on dehydration gives you what? Alkene, okay. The alkene on ozonolysis, if you treat it with ozone, ZnH2O, ozonolysis gives diethyl ketone and acetaldehyde, okay. So you get diethyl ketone. So let me draw the structure. One second. Yes, this is very important question. Let me see who is giving the correct answer for this one. It gives you diethyl ketone plus acetaldehyde, okay. The ketone is what? So you have to find this ketone. This is which ketone? Anyone answering here? Question number 17. Yes, please try this question. This is little important question. I can say you have to little bit work on this. You have diethyl ketone and acetaldehyde. So from that you can get alkene, from that you can get the alcohol, and from that you can get the ketone. Yes, Arun, hi. 17B, ethyl methyl ketone. Okay, let us see the answer here. First let us draw the alkene. So if you have the products, okay, you can merge the products and get the alkene. So I have diethyl ketone. That means what? I have like this structure, C2H5, okay. One second, just a minute. I have to first draw diethyl ketone, okay. So I have C2H5, C2H5, double bond O. This is diethyl ketone, and then I have acetaldehyde. I am drawing like this. This is my acetaldehyde. So what will happen whenever you want to find the alkene from the ozonized product? You just have to remove this double bond, two oxygens, and connect this one with double bond. So what I'll get if I remove this one? So the alkene that I am forming is this one, okay. This is the alkene. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can just think this is the alkene. So now from here what happened? So what is the alkene I got? C2H5, C, C2H5, double bond C, H, CH3, okay. Now what will happen from here? You need the alcohol group, right? So there will be dehydration, so X must be one alcohol. So I can just put H and OH here, right? So see, you can have OH here and H here, okay. So that means what must be the ketone? You have added this CH3 CH2 group, so the ketone must be diethyl ketone. See, if I take this diethyl ketone now, so let me just try from the starting. If I have diethyl ketone, C2H5, C double bond O, C2H5, this is diethyl ketone. Then you are reacting it with C2H5MgBr, okay, C2H5MgBr. So what I will get here? C2H5, C2H5, okay. Then I have OH and I got CH2, CH3, okay. Then what will happen here? Dehydration will take place. So I will get C2H5, C2H5, double bond CH, CH3. Now ozonolysis if I do, I'll get the required products. So the correct answer here will be diethyl ketone, option number C. Yes, C is the correct question. Yes, this question is of little higher level, and yes, those who have got it correct, that is really good. 18th question, the reagent which can be used to distinguish acetophenone and benzophenone. Very simple question. Acetophenone and benzophenone, okay. Yes, let me see who can answer this question. Acetophenone and benzophenone, how will you distinguish? 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine, aqueous NaHSO3, Benedict solution, I2 and Na2CO3. Yes, direct question, how will you distinguish? Yes, so this is your iodoform test. Option number D is the correct answer. Next, an organic compound contains hydrogen, oxygen. Okay, just I want to ask once back, is this question clear to everyone? Please put a thumbs up if you have understood this question. Please let me know, because this question was, I will say, little of the higher level, not very direct, but yes, not you can expect similar questions in the final exam as well, like in your KCET examination as well. So please let me know if this question was clear to everyone or not. If not, I can explain once again to all of you. So please let me know if this question is clear. Please inform quickly, let me know. Okay, so any other students, please let me know, then only we can go to the next question, otherwise there is no point. Okay, so I am getting that all of you are clear with this, so I am moving to the next question. An organic compound contains hydrogen, oxygen and a single carbon, okay, and responds positively to tolerance reagent. So it has hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and only one carbon, and it responds to tolerance reagent. So it has to be a 1 carbon aldehyde. Then what is the compound? Very simple and easy question. I want quick answer from here. Yes, Orishis is correct. 19A, option number, that is your formaldehyde. Okay, next question number 20. Which can be oxidized to the corresponding carbonyl compound? Okay, so which can be oxidized to carbonyl compound? Propane 2-OL, orthonitrophenol, phenol and 2-methyl propane 2-OL, which will give you on oxidation a aldehyde group. Yes. Yes, Helu is correct. Aldehydes will give tolerance test to produce carboxylic acid, generally salts of carboxylic acid. Okay. Next question, question number 20. Yes, 20A is correct, propane 2-OL. Okay, so you can use any oxidizing agent like PCC, CrO3 or copper at 573 Kelvin. So this one will give you propane 2-ONe. Okay, propane 2-ONe will be the product here. Next, question number 21. What would be obtained when benzoyl chloride reacts with aniline in the presence of sodium hydroxide? So if you have aniline in the presence of sodium hydroxide, okay, what would be obtained when benzoyl chloride? So there is a very important question. You have here benzoyl chloride, okay, and it is reacting with what? Aniline. Okay. Aniline is reacted here, okay, in presence of NaOH. What will be the product? Can you guess the product here? So whenever you have this one, this is called as benzoylation. Okay, so what will happen from here? HCl will be removed. Okay, so what will be the product I will be getting? HCl will be removed, C double bond O. In this Cl, what will happen? You will get NH, and here you will have one more benzene ring. So this compound is called as benzanilide. Okay, benzanilide. 21 is B. Okay, acetanilide will not be forming, benzanilide will form because you have both the group benzyl. Okay, so option number B is the correct answer. Next, acetylation of secondary amines in alkaline medium will give you what? So if you have secondary amine, means R, N, R and then H, and if you are doing acetylation, means same group, you are treating with R dash. So what will happen? HCl will be removed, so you will get R, okay, CO, R dash. So what is this product? NN dialkyl acetamide, NN dialkyl amine, NN dialkyl amide, acetyl dialkyl amine. So what is the product here? Yes, 22A is the correct answer. NN, so you can see both the R groups are replaced, right? So NN dialkyl, then here we have acetamide group. Okay. Next, question number 23. Primary amines react with acid chlorides or anhydrides to form what? This is very simple question. Primary amines are there. Okay. They react with acid chloride. For example, so what will happen? HCl will be removed. So I will get RNH, okay, RNH, CO, CH3. So what is this product called as? Tertiary ammonium salt, substituted amides, diazonium salts, nitro compounds. What is the product here? Hello Muttappa, good morning. Yes, substituted amides is the correct answer. Now see, this is the amide part, okay. If it is NH2 group, then we call it simple amide. If these hydrogens are replaced with R group, then we call it substituted amide group. Okay. Next, question number 24. So you have CH3, CH2, Cl. You are treating with NaCN. Okay. Then you have nickel and H2. If you are treating with this one, then you are treating it with acetic anhydride, and the final product you are getting is Z. So Z in the above reaction is. So what can be the product? You have CH3, CH2, Cl, okay. Then you are treating it with NaCN, okay. Then you are getting X here. Then you treat it with nickel and hydrogen, that is generally hydrogenation. You get Y, and then you treat it with acetic anhydride. That means, okay, this is your acetic anhydride. So what will be the product? Yes, anyone? Please try this question quickly. See, once you treat it with NaCN, what I'll get? CH3, CH2, Cn. Okay, this is your X. After that, nickel hydrogen, you'll get CH2, NH2. So I will get CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. Okay. Now, if you get here, what will happen? One of the hydrogen will be replaced with this one. So you will get CH3, CH2, CH2, NH, CO, CH3. Okay. So which is this product? Yes, Pradeep is correct. 24A is the correct answer. Okay. So what happens in acetylation? This H group is replaced with this group. Okay, COCH3 group. So there you can see two hydrogens were there. One of the hydrogen is taken and replaced with this group. Now coming to question number 25. Which of the following amines do not react with Hinsberg reagent? Okay, there is no reaction with Hinsberg reagent. Is it? So this is CH3, CH2, NH2, CH3, NH, CH3, CH3, CH2 whole 3N. So which one will not react with Hinsberg reagent, or all of this? Means none of this, all three will not react. So Hinsberg reagent is used for distinguishing between primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Yes, 25C is the correct answer. Very rapid answer by all of you. So all of you know the primary amines will form salt, soluble salt. Okay, secondary amines will form insoluble salt. Okay, and tertiary amines will form no salt. Okay, so option number C is the correct answer. Okay, next question number 26. The end product Z of the following reaction. You have ethyl amine, then you are treating it with HNO2, then PCl5, then KCN. Very easy question. Yes, very easy question this one. Will you get propane nitrile, triethyl amine, diethyl amine, or propyl amine? Yes, quickly. Please answer with question number. No answer yet. Okay, this is very easy question, right? If you have ethyl amine, whenever you have aliphatic amines, okay, if it is reacting with HNO2, we get alcohols, right? Yes, I got Sampath has given correct answer. Yes, 26A is the correct answer. Okay, so what you will get here, ethyl alcohol will give you, this will give you OH. So PCl5 will give you what? OH will be converted to Cl, then it will give you CH3, CH2 and Cl. Okay, so that will give you propane nitrile, option number A here. Yes. Next question number 27. Reduction of nitrobenzene in presence of zinc and ammonium chloride gives you what? So aniline, azobenzene, nitrobenzene, phenyl hydroxylamine. Very common sense question. You have just nitrobenzene, you are doing Zn is a very good reducing agent. So what will give you? Nitro group will be converted to which group? Yes, nitro group here will be converted to aniline. Okay, means if you have this one, right, NO2, it will get converted to NH2. Okay, so NO2 getting converted to NH2, aniline, option number A here. No, it is already nitrobenzene, right? It will give you aniline. Next question number 28. An organic compound X was treated with sodium nitrate and HCl in ice conditions. An organic compound X was treated with sodium nitrite and HCl, okay, in ice condition, means very low temperature, okay, means 0 degrees Celsius, you can guess. Next, bubbles of nitrogen gas were seen coming out. So one of the product here was nitrogen gas. The compound X may be what? It can be a secondary aliphatic amine, a primary aromatic amine, a primary aliphatic amine, or a tertiary amine. Yes, you are getting nitrogen gases. So what can be the product here? Yes, anyone? Very easy question. Just a minute. Yes, no, 28B is wrong answer, C is the correct answer. So with aromatic amine you won't get nitrogen gas. So if you have taken, for example, any compound, okay, and you are treating with, suppose we have taken NH2, okay, and if you are treating with this one, okay, nitrous acid, you will get N2 plus and Cl minus, benzene diazonium chloride will form. N2 gas will not be evolving out. But if you take alcohol group, okay, if you take alcohol group, okay, then you will get here R, NO2 is there, right? So you will get, sorry, one second, if you have taken primary aliphatic, that is RNH2, when you treat you get ROH plus N2 plus water. Okay, so primary aliphatic amine is the correct answer. Yes, 28C is the correct answer, not B. Next question number 29. A compound X with molecular formula C3H9N, okay, reacts with C6H5SO2Cl to give a solid which is insoluble, okay, in alkali. Then X is what? This is C3H9N and it is insoluble in alkali. So what can be X? Whether it is a primary amine, tertiary amine, a secondary amine, or it is an acidic group. This is very simple question. Yes, B is the, okay, let me see. Kiran, you have answered for which question? I am not able to know. Please mention the question number. No, Pradeep, 29B is wrong. 29C is the correct answer. You know, tertiary amines will not react at all. But secondary amines, what do secondary amines will do? Secondary amines will be insoluble in alkali, right? They will be insoluble. They will produce one precipitate which is insoluble. So that is why option number C is the correct answer. Yes, C is the correct answer. All of you are correct. Next, the source of nitrogen in Gabriel synthesis of amines. So from where do we get nitrogen? Sodium azide NaN3, sodium nitrate NaNO2, potassium cyanide KCN, or potassium thalamide C6H4CO2 and minus K plus. So the structure of this one is like this. Okay, so this is the structure. So which is the source of galimide? Yes, D is the correct answer, option number, that is potassium thalamide. From here the Gabriel thalamide reaction starts. Okay, next, in the given reaction Z is what? So you have benzene, you have taken NaNO2 and HCl, you will get X, X will give you Y, and Y you are doing hydrolysis to give you Z. So what is Z here? Yes, this is very simple question, whether it is C6H5NHCH3, C6H5C double bond OH, C6H5CH2NH2, C6H5CH2COOH. Yes. Very simple question. 31C. No, Pradeep, that is wrong answer. D is also wrong. See, you have aniline, right? This is aniline. This is very easy question, students. Why did you do wrong here? Aniline, if you take NaNO2 and HCl, okay, so you will get here N2 plus and Cl minus. Okay, now what will happen if you do Cu2 and Cn2? That will convert this one to Cn. Okay, that will convert it to, so this is a Sandmeyer reaction. After that, what you will do if you do hydrolysis? Okay, this will convert this one to benzoic acid. Okay, so option number B is the correct answer. No, none of you have given correct answer here. B is the correct answer. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone, all the process here? Please check me and tell. Is it clear? First of all, when you see copper with Cn2, okay, you should immediately think it is either, it is your Sandmeyer reaction, right? We use copper salts to convert or to remove this N2 plus and Cl minus. So it has to be the Cn group. And after that, when you do hydrolysis, cyanide hydrolysis will always give you acid. So yes, let me know if this is clear to everyone. So what happened? See, this Cn is a meta directing group, but that is not directing anything, right? It itself is getting reduced. See, in this N2 plus is replaced with Cn group, then Cn group itself is getting hydrolyzed to COOH group. Okay, so there is nothing for the meta directing group. Okay, yes, is it clear? Yes, Shagufta, did you join late? I didn't see your answers before today. Okay, now let's move forward to the next question, that is 32. Okay, C6H5NO2 is there, you are treating it with SnHCl, then you are treating with NaNO2 and HBr, HCl, then you are treating with HbF4 and heating to give you R. The end product R in the sequence of the reaction is. Okay, so yes, what will be the product R? Let's quick, I want everyone to answer this one correctly. C6H5NO2 is there, means you have this one. Okay, then you are treating it with Sn and HCl. Okay, so that will give you P. Then you are treating it with NaNO2 and HCl, that will give you Q. Then after that you are treating with HbF4. Okay, and you are heating it, so that is giving you R. 32B, yes, fluorobenzene, all of you are correct. Fluorobenzene, it is all of you are correct here. So let me just tell you, NO2 with SNHCl will give you NH2, okay. NH2 with N2 plus and NaNO2 will give you N2 plus and Cl minus. With HbF4 and heating, you will get fluorobenzene here, okay. The correct answer for this question will be option number B, okay. All of you have got this question correct. That is very good. Yes. Now coming to next question number 33, phenol plus aniline will give you NaNO2 and HCl, product P, major product P will produce. Okay, so can you say this question, what will be the answer here? Yes, quick, this is your coupling reaction, very easy question, you can easily guess. Yes. 33B, yes, phenyl hydrazine, this is, can you tell me the color of this compound? What is the color of this compound? Can you tell me the color of this compound? All of you are correct, that is B, okay, B is the correct answer. Coupling reaction, I am asking color of this compound. It is a dye, right? Which color dye is it? This can be also a very potential and important question. What is the color of this dye? Yes, color of the dye, who remembers? Let me see. Yes, Shri Gauri is correct. It is orange color dye, okay. Option number B is the correct answer for this question. Yes, last 3 questions, students, let's move fast. An organic compound A on reacting with NH3 gives B, okay. So you have one organic compound A, on reacting it with NH3, okay, you get B. Now which on heating gives you C? On heating you gives here C. Now C in the presence of KOH reacts with Br2 to give you this one. So C in the presence of KOH and Br2 reacts to give you CH3, CH2, NH2. That is your ethyl amine. Then A is what? Yes, easily you can solve this question, okay, by just giving some idea without spending much time. You can easily, by seeing the options, you should be able to answer. Yes, this is also a very important question. Okay, let's go backward. Whenever you get such question, please move from backward side. So you see, this is Hofmann bromamide degradation, right? Hofmann bromamide degradation. So in that case, what happens? There is 2 carbon here, there must be 3 carbon here, right? So the compound must be like this: CH3, CH2, CO and NH2. So when you treat this one, this part will go. So we need at least 3 carbon in the product. So here we have only 1 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 carbon, here 1 carbon, here 3 carbon is there. So A is the correct answer. So if I just draw the product, it has to be CH3, CH2, COOH. Okay. Now when you treat it with ammonia, you get CH3, CH2, C double bond, O minus and NH4 plus. Okay, this is the salt formed. Once you heat it, you get the amide. Then with Hofmann bromamide degradation, we get this one. Okay, so A is the correct answer. One second, Pradeep has question number 33 here. Phenol plus aniline. No dear, it is phenol plus aniline, right? So you have the, see, aniline, when you have aniline with this one, NaNO2 and HCl will give you N2 plus and Cl minus. Okay, so aniline plus this one has produced this one, and then you have phenol with this one. Okay, so what will happen? Here this H is there, this H and Cl will be removed and you will get a coupling compound like this. Okay, so this will be the product formed. Okay, so option number B will be the correct answer. Okay, fine Pradeep. Yes, gamers, I think you have doubt in this question. See, once again I will explain. you have this acid. See, you should go from backward. You have this reagent, right? Last reagent is Br2KOH, that means Hofmann bromamide degradation, and Hofmann bromamide degradation, we know that the number of carbons is more. So here if it is 2 carbon, this has to be 3 carbon. So from here only we can find the option should have 3 carbon. So here there are 2 carbon, here there are 4 carbon, here also 4 carbon. This is the only option with 3 carbon. So that is option number A. Okay, so that is first thing. So we know from here that I will get this one. Now from here, from amides are produced from what? Amides are produced from ammonium salts. So this must be produced from here. Now the reactant, so when I guess that this is the 3 carbon compound is only this one, so you can easily write first is this one. Then when you treat it with NH3 you get a salt. Then when you heat it, H2O is removed from here and you get an amide here. Okay. Yes gamers, I have explained. I hope you have cleared this question. Next, this is very important question as well as a tricky question. Let me see who gives the correct answer in one go. Okay, you should do it correctly, try it again and again and tell me. The number of structural isomers possible from the molecular formula C3H9A. Okay. Welcome gamers, welcome. 5, 2, 3, 4. Please try this question all of you. How many you have structural isomers? Okay, this is important question. If you have watched my Chakraview series in amines chapter, we have done a similar question there as well. Please try doing, quickly draw and tell me. C3H9N. 35D, yes Shagufta, very good. D is the correct answer. C3H9, see you can have one structure like this. Okay, this is structure number 1. This is structure number 2. Okay, we got 2 structures now. Now another structure what I can have is, I can have like this secondary amine. Okay, secondary amine, and another I can have is tertiary amine. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is option number D. 35D is the correct answer. Yes. So last question of the series, students, I want all of you to answer. Which of the following amines can be prepared by Gabriel phthalimide reaction? Can be prepared. Triethyl amine, it is like triethyl amine, N-butyl amine, tert-butyl amine, neopentyl amine. Which of the following amines can be prepared by Gabriel phthalimide reaction? Shidesh, shortcut is that more you practice, you can see those questions which I have given today, you can easily do it in your mind if your reactions are very strong. Okay? If you have remembered all the reactions regularly, if you are very thorough with the reactions, you can do this question within like just in seconds, because just by seeing XYZ, you can products will come in your mind. So for that you should like strengthen your reactions. All the reactions, please make flowcharts. In the one shot videos also I have told you how to make flowcharts, and revise as much as possible. Okay, once you have the hold over the reactions, then easily you can solve these questions. Okay, so here question number is B. Yes, we know it will only give you primary amines, right? And in the option the only primary amine we have is N-butyl amine. Okay. Yes, yes Sampath, that is absolutely correct. So students, can you now count your scores and tell me? Can you now count your scores and tell me? So next class we will be doing questions from the solutions chapter. Okay, so please be prepared. So students, I hope that this series is helping you. So please follow this series, follow your PU2 preparation as well, because your exams are very near. So yes, you can quickly just solve practice, because KCET, after KCET after the board exams you will have very less time to prepare for KCET. We have to do more questions. At that time also we'll be solving sample papers, mock test papers, papers, so many questions will be solved. So please make a habit every day. You can just give 30-40 minutes and solve questions with us. So that will be really helpful for you. Okay. Okay, fine. We can do like physical chemistry, all the chapters serially. Okay, solutions, then electrochemistry, and then kinetics. Okay, so students, please let us know if you have any problem in preparation. Do let me know. Or how is your preparation going on? Tell me for PU2 and for your KCET as well. So how many hours you are studying? Are you able to focus? Are you able to manage all the subjects, time management within KCET and PU2? So very important. Please remember your target, at least 290 plus should be there in your PU board examination. Okay, once you get this one, no, you will have a confidence. You can easily get very good rank in KCET. Like 2025, you can easily target top 3000, 5000, even top 1000 rank. But if here you are not able to do better, then it becomes very tough, because you have to balance both, right? Yes, Pradeep, coordination compounds is very difficult. Why, dear? What happened? Pradeep, I think compared to coordination, you have DNF block, which is like kind of a rote memory. Coordination compounds, I feel, is like very simple and what I'll say, very to the point questions and answers, nothing much you have to think. Okay, if you want. Yes, Dhruv, we are very soon coming with for COMED K as well. Okay, we'll be very soon coming up with COMED K. We'll come up with the videos, the exam strategies, the exam papers, last previous year questions. Everything will be done for COMED K as well. Okay. Yes. Okay, Shagufta, I will consider this one. So students, tell me, how is the preparation going on? Everything is well and fine. Are you confident enough for the board exams? Is your chemistry preparation going well for your board exams? Yes, Pradeep, see, what I feel is D and F block is easy, but it is mostly you have to remember a lot of things. But coordination compounds is somewhere where you have to use your logic, but it is something which is very different. But do not worry, we will Pradeep, have you watched my coordination compounds the lecture for KCET lecture? Have you watched that? Please let me know. Yes, if you have watched, then please just go once through this. I will be revising this chapter. As you told, it is difficult, so I will be revising definitely. But yes, do not think from now. See, I feel chemistry, all the chapters are very easy. Just think is you have to put little more efforts in that chapters. It will definitely give you very good marks. And 12 chapters are very important. KCET examination 45 plus almost you can score if you just do these 10 chapters of PU2. So please work day and night. Chemistry, you have less syllabus, less portion, so easily you can score it. Okay, so please make sure that you are. Yes, Shampath, yes, electrochemistry battery reaction is little difficult, that is correct. So for that you should make a table, write down the cell name. Only you have to remember is anode, cathode and the electrolyte used there and the potential that particular cells give. Okay, and for lead battery cell you should know the reaction. So for that you have to memorize. So please do it, write it again and again, make a table of that and then start revising it again. Okay. Yes, Sampath, I understand that. So battery reactions, you should make a table. Okay, write down the table. For example, nickel cadmium cell, what is the anode there, what is the cathode there, what is the electrolyte there. So first write down and make a table and remember that much. Then once you know which is the anode, then you can know the oxidation reaction as well. Okay, and for lead battery cell, it is very important to remember the reactions as well. Okay. Thank you, Pradeep. Thank you so much. Yes, Pradeep, chemistry is definitely easy. So you should try to score full marks in that. Okay, Sagupta has a question. Ma'am, suggest one advice. If prepared all chapters of chemistry and model paper also I solved, then next which question should I refer? So Shagufta, you can do like, if did you get any from PU board, we have got sample papers, you can solve that. Okay, or you can just practice previous year questions, last 5-10 years of previous year questions you can prepare, and you can prepare all district pre-board papers. Okay, the January pre-board was for full syllabus, right? So all district papers, almost 28 districts pre-board papers are available. You can even solve those papers. That will be a really good practice. Okay, if you want that PDF, you can just comment down. I will send you the link. Okay, so yes. Okay, Siddesh, PU1 syllabus. So Siddesh, for KCET, okay, please make sure that you do not have to too much worry about PU1 syllabus, because it is like, I can say, almost like last 15-20 questions you will be getting, but the 40 questions out of 60 will be from your PU2. So what you have to do is focus majorly on your PU2, try to get at least 40 out of 40 from PU2, and some important 5-6 chapters if you do from chemistry PU1 also, that will help you. Okay, you do not have to do all the chapters, that will help you. Okay, fine. That's all students. Please study hard. Very few days are left. All the very best for your preparation. Keep working hard. At least 8 to 10 hours of study is mandatory right now. So please do well. And if you have any problem, you can comment down. We will definitely address it. Okay, we are always there with you, for you till your exams are there. Any problem, any type of help you need, please do let us know. Okay, thank you, and start studying. Okay, I felt very less participation in today's class. I don't know why, but yes, this should not happen again. Okay. Okay, Dhansham, good morning, very good morning. Shampath, next session for chemistry will be on you can say Friday. Okay, it's like Monday will be chemistry, then Tuesday will be physics, Wednesday will be maths, then Thursday will be biology ma'am's class, Jasmine ma'am's class, and then Friday again I'll be there. I will decide whether I'll take a think. Dhansham, you can check that if you have the eligibility for KCET or not. You should have at least studied 7 years in Karnataka, or if not you, if your any one of your parent have studied for 7 years in Karnataka, you are eligible. Okay, so there are different clauses. We have a detailed video in that, so please go to our channel and search clause, all clause of KCET, and then you can find the eligibility criteria. Okay. So Dhansham, days February 18 is the last date for filling the application form. So if you are really interested, please check your eligibility and then fill the form quickly. Okay. So yes students, that's all. And see you soon in the next class very soon, and please do not get distracted. Be very, very serious about your preparation. Okay. Thank you, and see you soon in the next class. Do not forget to subscribe the channel as well. Bye bye students.